Oh, they're horrible. They're horrible. Terrible. You're one. Unsweetened applesauce. That goes in our bread. 28 degrees, I think, a while ago. 50.
And the girls are like, woohoo!
Hey guys, if you're looking for wanting a really quick and tasty little treat, and you're trying to watch your calories and have a healthy heart and whatever else, let me show you what we do. Greek non-fat yogurt. Just like that. Don't get the flavored stuff, and don't get the stuff with all the sugar. Get the non-fat, healthy stuff. Just like that. Blueberries. Boom. Got our blueberries on. Little granola. Don't get the stuff packed with sugar and salt and all that. Get this stuff that's good for you. Ain't no sense in doing it if you're going to put junk in it. And then just a little bit of raw honey, and just a drizzle. Don't float the thing in it. And that's what you end up having. Bon appetit. Recently, within the last few months, Terry and I had doctor's appointments, and both of us, the doctors have said, listen, you got to change your diet. We're trying to see if we can eat on $75 a week.
Yes.
Not a piece.
Together.
What are you doing?
Making some homemade bread. Yeast is blooming.
What? Okay.
That's our yeast is blooming.
Oh yeah, that looks.
We're using organic unbleached flour.
Which is that? The flour there?
Yeah, this is the flour here. We actually use red mill because it is organic. It is basically just.
What are you doing to applesauce?
Well, that's to help make our bread soft.
What?
I normally do make homemade applesauce, but I don't have any homemade applesauce, so I'm using the jar.
Unsweetened applesauce. That goes in our bread.
Yep.
What does that do?
Well, it replaces the milk, replaces butter. So we're using olive oil and applesauce to help make it soft and fluffy.
Get out of here. Was that the yeast?
That's the yeast.
All
We're
right.
going to have a 1/4 cup of applesauce.
Pork chops and applesauce.
We definitely don't want too much, so sometimes I'll take a spoon out. And that just goes on the wayside.
A 1/4 cup minus a spoon.
Yes.
That's technical.
That's 10. And then we need a tablespoon of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yep. Just a pinch of salt. It does a pinch, but it hardly comes out. But it's sea salt, so it's really good.
Sea salt.
Healthy for you. All right, and then give me a spoon here.
Seems like there's a lot of bowls, and only one of them's got stuff in it.
Didn't know which one I wanted to use.
Oh, I got you.
So it calls for 1 to 1.5 cups of flour, but it's got to be wet and sticky. So I usually just do 1. If I need to add a little more liquid, I will, because as you can see, it looks like it's about perfect, to be honest. And then I'll just whip this up, and we don't have a mixer, so my hand is the mixer.
She's been making this for perfecting this recipe, I should say, for a bit now. Started out trial and error, with this convection oven. How does it cook, and the times, trying to figure it out, and then and sometimes depends on where you're at. The moisture in the air, and all that humidity, and
makes a big
she's
difference.
about got it down to a science now, though, don't you?
Yeah. So we're looking at probably, what do we say, $1.20 for a loaf?
Yeah, $1.20 for a loaf of bread.
Yeah.
All it takes is a little time and elbow grease.
That's right.
All right. Been waiting on the dough to rise. Look at how that rose.
Look at that. All right.
Amazing how that stuff puffs up like that.
Now look at it. It's trying to fall.
Now what would do?
You might have to cut that part out. All right. So now we're going to put it in and let it cook. About 25 minutes.
Okay.
Let's see. I think I'll do. Oops. I should. 350. It's got to get to 190. I don't know if it's going to make it or not.
What's it at?
170, about 180. So we got to go another 5 minutes probably.
5 minutes. I don't think I can wait. Man, that bad boy's ready to rock and roll. Let me sneak in here while you're out of the way. Man, that thing got a piece of jam written all over it. A piece of jam. What's it? Yeah.
Daniel. Oh. Now all we gotta do is put a little butter on top.
Right in my way in my filming.
Look at that baby. Look at that baby.
That's a winter chicken dinner right
That is
there.
a winter chicken dinner. So now I need a little bit of moisture on my towel and wrap her up and let her sit.
Thank you.
I don't want you knocking it off there now.
I don't want to knock it off either.
Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to the Simple Mile, our $75 a week meal plan, healthy meal plan. So today I'm going to make us a treat because we do want to stay healthy with the treats so we don't eat a lot of sugar and stuff. I wanted to tell you what, this is kind of an afterthought. I've already made them, but I want to tell you what I made. And I haven't cooked them yet. So I've got here, these are oat flour, yogurt, blueberry donut holes. So we are using Bob's Red Mill oat flour. It is a high in fiber, but if you notice, if you've ever looked at the ingredients on these, it's basically whole grain oats. Doesn't have a lot of the garbage in there that we can't even pronounce, and we're not eating anything we can't pronounce. So, and of course, we've got our organic non-fat yogurt, some vanilla, sea salt, cinnamon, 100% organic maple syrup, and a tad bit of baking powder. So I've mixed all this up and I've got my little donut holes, and as soon as my air fryer is free, I'm going to pop them in the air fryer and cook them about 375, 12 to 15 minutes. So when they're done, I'll bring them out and show them to you, and if you're around, you can taste them too.
Well, it seems like everybody has to put some kind of preservative, and they got to add salt and sugar to everything.
They do. Yeah, we got rid of sugar. We got rid of sugar a long time ago. Sugar, we don't even make our bread
The
with
only sugar Terry wants is mine.
Unless it's natural sugar, like,
Yeah.
not that your sugar's not natural.
Cut!
All right, so they're done. Let's give them the taste test. But first, let's break them open and see, because this is the first time that I've made these. So, oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that.
Yummy!
So squishy. You got blueberry juice dripping on my hand. Now I gotta taste them. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, those are good. Yeah, they pass.
So, you know, just because you're watching what you eat, trying to eat healthy, doesn't mean you can't have a snack.
That's right.
Just do it the right
snack.
way. Eat something healthy.
Absolutely. And tasty. All right, so we're going to let Daniel do the taste test here.
Oh, they're horrible. They're horrible. Terrible. You're one.
You want them all for yourself, huh?
Okay. Part of living healthy isn't just eating, it's going for regular walks with the dogs or each other.
20-degree weather,
28 degrees, I think, a while ago.
and the girls are like, woohoo!
Got a wind chill of about 15.
Yeah,
Terry and I are about to freeze, and the girls thinks it's the best weather ever.
they do.